Hi, everybody. My name is Kim Peterson, and I'm the founder of Uniquely Savvy Inc. and the creator of Move from Fear to Freedom and Create a Life You Love, a 6-week group coaching program for midlife women that's coming up in January 2022. Now, here's what I want you to know. This is a group coaching program that's for women who are in a season of transition. Now, you might be in a season of transition with your career, with your relationships, or life in general, as we've all just navigated the uncertainties and chaos and confusion of the pandemic in 2020, 2021. Now is the time to reset so that you can bring your best authentic self to 2022 and beyond. Now, I'm so excited to tell you more about the program, but today I'm really eager to introduce you to Jennifer Tamman. She is one of our guest experts, and she will be speaking with us on how to create a confident and healthy immune system. Let me tell you a little bit more about Jennifer Tamman. Jennifer graduated magna cum laude with her degree in molecular biology and a minor in chemistry and postgraduate training in immunology. She spent 10 years in biotechnology as a cancer immunotherapy researcher before moving into a more holistic approach to prevention and healing. Now in her 11th year of business, Jennifer's mission through her health food agency is to inspire healthy living around the world by providing education, programs, resources, community, and events to support you in your journey. Welcome, Jennifer.
Thank you, Kim. I'm so excited to be a part of this with you.
Yay. Well, listen, I just want to create some excitement and curiosity about the thought leadership you'll be bringing. I just have 2 quick questions for you. The first one is, why should we care about our gut health anyway?
Well, there are 2 main reasons really that I'm going to share. 1, mental health, and 2, your immune system, like you already mentioned. Just really quickly, a lot of us, when we think about our mental health, we think about our brain. Well, we actually have a second brain, our enteric brain. It's housed in our gut. And a lot of those neurotransmitters that we talk about and we read about, serotonin, dopamine, GABA, and there's a ton more, right? But they are all made in our gut. There's actually 90 to 95% of your serotonin made in your gut. That's like the happy hormone. And if you look it up, it is in every function in our body. About 50% of our dopamine, in fact, is actually found made in our gut microbes. So if that's not a reason alone to get your gut health up, the next one might be 70 to 80% of your immune system also housed in your gut. And with everything that's been going on and all the buzzwords and everything you've been reading, you want to have a balanced, healthy immune system to fight what we have going on outside of us.
So good, so good. So tell us what we can expect to learn from you in our January group coaching program.
Absolutely. I am so excited because talking about the gut-brain connection and the gut immune system connection are one of my favorite things, and I get very excited. And when you are in a season of change, you're midlife. I'm in my 40s, so I understand some of the beginnings of these midlife changes we find ourselves in, and we might feel a little stuck. A lot of us do after this season of the pandemic. When we're going through these changes and we want to come out the other side feeling fabulous, during the changes, we also want to feel our best self. We want to have energy. We want to look and feel amazing. Even our skin health is directly tied to our gut health. And so I'm going to talk a little bit about how these things are all connected, but I'm also going to give you some really simple, sustainable action steps for you to increase your gut health so that both your mental health and your immune health have the best opportunity to improve.
Oh, so good. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. And ladies, listen, if this sounds like you and you are a woman in midlife and you are transitioning in your career, your relationships, your life in general, and you want to move from fear into more freedom, clarity, confidence, peace, and joy, then I'm going to invite you to go ahead and click the link below, learn more about the program, and see if it's the right aligned next step for you. If you find that you're on the fence and you're just not sure, I want to invite you to schedule a complimentary clarity session with me where I can better understand where you're at now, what your 2022 goals and life goals are, and see what the possibilities can be for you. No risk, Nothing to worry about. And what I know to be true is at the end of that clarity session, you will have at least 3 different actionable items that you can implement right now. Thanks so much. I look forward to seeing you and seeing you, Jennifer, in January. Have a great day. Bye for now.